That's why I use two. Just under 2 inches here, looks like. But my other one, a little over 2 inches, but that's displaced water, because we have a Cuban tree frog in my gauge. Now, I didn't touch him under the surface of the water. He decided to go there himself. Yeah. That's why I use 2 gauges, really, because this happens often. They like to hide in tiny little crevices. So, the reading from this was unreliable. The secondary is just under 2 inches of rain. And we now know how much water a Cuban tree frog displaces. Come on out. Come on out. Really? Come on. There you go. Oh, wait a minute. You're an invasive species. If I'm supposed to capture you, I'm supposed to kill you. Says the state Department of Natural Resources. But today, you'll go free.